So we were talking about glasses. Um, the reason why I mentioned glasses is because creative thinking, which is the subject of this workshop, is pretty much a way of looking at the world around you. And the metaphor of wearing a pair of glasses, I think it works very well to understand what does it mean to have a specific mindset and attitude in life. Uh, Today we will talk about this specific attitude. And that's why I say that you can apply what I am suggesting you to do to pretty much anything in your life, because it's a way of looking at things. And you need to understand that we usually, and it's a matter of having too little time, being too busy, or being in a hurry, or being under stress. We tend to use very specific and automatic behaviors, and we do things very like quickly, just to face the issues that we have and to try to solve them in the best way we can. And there is nothing wrong with it. The glasses that we have every day, that we wear every day, work most of the time. They do the job, so to speak. What I'm suggesting you is simply to change your glasses every once in a while in order to look at things differently. So before I get into the various situations that we face every day, I would like to go through a basic explanation that I think everybody gets of what is creativity to begin with, because I think it's very important to that you get out of your mind the fact that you think perhaps that you are not creative enough. For example, some people think they're not creative at all. With this mini lecture, I would like to explain what creativity is. So this is the basic definition of what creative thinking means. It's a mindset, it's a pair of glasses, it's an attitude, it's a skill. It's a way of looking at things, any problem or situation you face every day, and somehow try to solve these things through a very unique way of thinking. This way of thinking is not a magic formula. It's made of many different things that you might use and you might combine. Whatever I suggest you to do, like I said, you are completely free to develop it and expand it and even turn it upside down. I don't really care. As long as it works for you, you're doing the right thing.